Hello everyone, this is Master Lohit. Welcome you all today yoga session. Now inhale, take a deep breath, look up. Now head up. Now inhale, center. Exhale, down. Touch your chin, breastbone. Look down, keep breathing. Relax your shoulder. Inhale, center. Now take your waist. Okay, now relax. And exhale at center. Close your eyes. Keep breathing. Relax your mind. Relax your shoulder. Relax your spinal. Inhale. Hands up. Stretch your hands maximum. Bend forward. Head down. Now drop your palms next to the feet. Right leg back. Right knee straight, look frames. Left leg back, look frames. Stomach in. Now, drop knees, chest into floor. Push your floor, expand your chest. Come back to downward facing dog. Drop your heels, face down. Keep breathing. So now we go for a sitting pose. It is just a relaxation pose. Now bend your right leg and left leg. Catch your ankle. Take a deep breath. At the same time, push your floor. Expand your chest. Exhale, down. Hug your knees. Hands by the side. Move your legs right and left. It is help you to relax your back and relax completely body. Relax your mind. Close your eyes. Now hands up. Interlock your fingers. Inhale. Relax your hands. Now right hand up. Bend your left knee. Turn your right side. Push the floor. Come on. Keep breathing at 3 times. Inhale. Exhale. Rub your palms. Rub your eyes. Thank you. Namaste.